Overall, there are 23 consonants and 24 vowels. Among the 24 vowels, there are 6 single vowels and 9 compound vowels, and we have 5 pre-nasal vowels and 4 post-nasal vowels. We can go through this list of consonants and vowels one by one. Okay, let's get started with 4 consonants and 3 vowels, and then we can make combinations out of these 4 consonants and vowels. I'm drawing a matrix on the chalkboard. So we are going to start with the 4 consonants are bo, po, mo, fo, and the 3 vowels are a, o, e. So I'm writing down the consonants here. The first one is bo, the second one is po, third one is mo, and the fourth one is fo. So we read it as bo, po, mo, fo. The 3 vowels are a, o, e. So we're making the first combination as ba. It's a ba, bo, a, ba. I didn't put tone on it. Later I will put tone on it, and then we can make a word. The second one is bo. So there is no combination like be in Chinese, so I leave it blank. The second row is pa and po. The third row is ma, mo, and me. The fourth row goes like fa, fo, and there's no fe. So if I put fourth tone for ba, it's ba, which means daddy, ba, ba, ba. The second one, I put first tone as bo. So this character means like if you dial a phone number, like 拨电话. The second row is I put fourth tone pa, and the second word po is po. It means slope. And then the third row is I put first tone. It means ma. So it's mom, mama the ma. And the second one is mo, which means touch. The third word me, I put no tone on it, so which means silent tone. It's me. It means 什么. So it's like a sound after a sentence, or it's in the word what. The last row, fa means fa. I put the first tone. It's hair. 头发. 头发. The second one is 佛, which means the Buddha. I hope you like this video, and I hope you find this helpful. Next time we can continue with another 4 consonants and 3 vowels and making combinations. I'll see you next time. Bye.